You got a fucking beef with them? That shit is on you.
YouTube, what's good? It's your boy Wavy. You already know this is my channel, Mr. Orchard Beach. If you're new to the channel, you haven't hit the subscribe button yet, hit that subscribe button, like, comment, all the above. Yo, it's been a minute since I've been on this couch, boy, for real. I got a few pickups from this weekend. By the time y'all see it, the weekend will be over with, but yeah, I still got them.
That's supposed to mean something to me, man.
This came in first. I was actually gonna just unbag or whatever, open this joint on my vlog like I usually do, but then I got another package in, and then I ended up getting these grills. Nah, just like, y'all know what this is. Yeah, so picking these up. So I might as well just bust all this down on one video, Tatiana. You know what I'm saying?
No, sorry.
Let me try to get this over with quick. No, I'm not. I'll try to get this vid to 10 minutes of nothing. Nah, all right, but nah, seriously, because I want to see that Garcia and the Khan fight. Khan's losing, Garcia's winning. Anyway, man, F all that. Boom. First joint, yo. I got to the liquor store today. I was gonna pick up, at first I was gonna pick up some brew, cause you know me, I love some beers. But then I remember, no yeast for a whole week. You know what I'm saying? Oh, yo, shout out to my homie Cell. He and his brother came up for Passover. Y'all will see them on the vlog. Matter of fact, we had a good time. But anyway, man, I ain't even finished with that vlog yet, but F all that. So I went to the liquor store by Stop and Shop because I have yet to get just Don Remy joint, the 1738. Didn't know where to get them from. I did remember seeing these, seeing like a display in the window, but I never did go in the joint because I got a liquor store on my block. So it's like, I might as well spend with the Koreans, vice spending with the Dominicans.
Out my way. God damn, it's Miller time, motherfucker.
You know what I'm saying? But yeah, man. Yeah, so this is the Just Don joint right here. Bam, 1738. 750 milliliters. 40% alcohol, shoebox name, Just Remy, athlete name. Y'all niggas know how to read?
0.
Word. Now, what I did see in these, it says sneaker, what does it say? Box does not include sneakers.
Obviously.
I thought like it was saying box does not include shoelaces. So hopefully I do want the shoelaces, because then I was thinking on the way home, I was like, I just paid like $50 for I don't know, something that's just gonna take up space. But I think I'm gonna keep the box as a collector's piece. But anyway, man, let's break this joint open. Boy, you know me, boy, I love the drink.
Yeah, you noticed.
Let's see. I don't wanna drop this joint. What does it say? Yeah, he honored and all that, Just Remy, They
can hardly read.
The 1738. If y'all know me, I drink a lot, but I do love Remy Martin. I like Johnny Walker as well. Matter of fact, last week, that's almost done. But I picked up some Johnny Walker Green. It's smooth if you know how to tweak it. I'm not saying water it down or anything, but yeah, it's a different taste.
Pause, all right?
I'm hype I got this, man. This box is black, as you can see. I like the details though, man. Look. Looks like reptilian or whatever. On the front, it kind of resembles basketball. Then you got your reptilian designs going throughout the box. What I really want to see is, well, I really want to drink this, but what I really want to see is that these came with some laces. Because I know if I worked at this store, I'd be stealing the laces. I ain't gonna hold you. Let's see. Did it come with laces? Please tell me it came with laces. No, I thought these came with laces, man. That's whack. I got jerked. Anyway, what? Bottle insert can be removed and store your favorite sneakers. Okay, well then, all right, whatever, cool. Yeah, I'll probably end up putting a pair up in here that's like dead stock. But anyway, damn, I thought these came with laces, man. Damn, did I get jerked?
Yeah, they saw your ghetto ass coming from miles away, nigga.
Since I'm probably not gonna powerhouse this bottle like that, I'll probably end up putting it on one of my displays open with the joint. But I can guarantee you by the time this weekend's over, you know, word up. And then I just keep it up there for you know, special purposes. But anyway, man, F all that. Bow. Here y'all go. Let's get a sip. Man, what are we drinking to?
Shit, nigga, make it easy on yourself. I don't know.
Hey, y'all already know, man. You know, I got that Remy glass right there. Yep. So, yo, toast. Shout out to the Wave, my man. Everybody that's been rocking with me. Coming up on 17th thou. Coming up on something else too. You know what I'm saying? Y'all let's see, man. Cheers though. Yeah, 17, it's smooth though. I ain't gonna lie. That 1738 is smooth. Hell yeah. But anyway, first up, I got a pickup from, I got a mail call from, mail call, from Effus Clothing. You already know, use my discount code WAVY, save 25%. When do you not use my discount code?
Damn, string, I don't know.
This weekend when they got that 40% Easter sale.
Come on, think.
So these tees are for the Jordan 11, those snakeskin lows. Somebody asked me what did I think about them. I don't know if I got back to your answer, but here's my answer right now. They are a dope summer sneaker. Man, when that sun hits that joint, dope, boy. With some shorts, you know what I'm saying? Are they for me? No, I didn't get any snakeskin sneak when they dropped before, so I'm just not really, they ain't really my thing. But yo, here you go. Icy sole, check it out. Joint nice right there. Oh yeah. Next up, okay, because you already know, white tee is a white tee, back up off the wall. You know what I'm saying? Next joint, Snake Eyes. I actually got this joint in, I forgot the other tee that I got this with. Dang, I forgot. Oh, I think like the 13s, those whatever joints. But yeah, anyway, boom, Snake Eyes, life's a gamble. Cobra Kai, strike first.
Barely.
And the third tee. Oh yeah, bam. Crushed up. Oh yeah. So got the crushed up, the Snake Eyes, and the icy sole. Or again, use my discount code WAVY, save 25%. Only when the discount ain't better on their side. You know what I'm saying? I won't be mad. I appreciate the support and I appreciate Effus Clothing. You already know. All right, next up. I know it's been a minute since y'all heard this name right here. Now I can rock that jacket again. Shout out to my guy. This is from Sneakerhead NYC. You can use my discount code WAVY and save 15% off your purchase. Okay. Came with some Sneakerhead NYC stickers. Word. First joint. All right, bet. Let's go. Let's get it. No Gucci. No Gucci. You know what I'm saying? We boycotting Gucci over here.
I don't follow.
So I got the no Gucci joint. Next up, got that Sneakerhead Air Max 1987. Word. Got another one. Sneakerhead Air Jordan 1985. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. I like this joint right here, boy. This is my joint. Bart, I will not buy another pair of kicks. Hell yeah. This joint tough right here. Yeah, I like this one. Oh, yo, yes, yo, thank you. Word, I forgot all about this joint. Kicks is Crack, NYC. They actually depicted this from the Crack is Whack wall by Keith Haring. I actually want to take y'all to this wall though one day. It's off the Harlem River Drive, matter of fact. I always see it when I'm rolling by, but I've never actually been there. But yeah, this joint is dope. So one more time, got the Kicks is Whack joint. I mean, Kicks is Crack, Kicks is Whack. Yeah, March releases, Kicks been kind of, no, was it March? Was it April? Yeah, March releases. And April, I've had, no, not really too much, but March, boy, I don't know, man. But yo, these past releases ain't really been too. But nah, anyway, yo, Kicks is Crack. Oh, my favorite joint, the Bart Simpson. Then you got the Air Jordan 1985 and the Air Max 1987. Word. Oh yeah, and forget, boy, we ain't. I'm gonna ride the no Gucci with my Gucci. You know what I'm saying?
I love it. I love it.
Anyway, yeah, so yeah, these are my pickups for, well, these are my joints that came in from my sponsors this weekend. I really didn't know all these joints were coming in, man. I'm almost running out of spots to put all these.
Sound like one of them good problems.
But anyway, man, yo, let me
Yo, man, your liver gonna shrivel up like a prune.
So anyway, man, appreciate it. Again, shout out to Effus Clothing. Use my discount code WAVY, save 25%. Shout out to Sneakerhead NYC. Use my discount code WAVY, save 15%. About to get up out of here. Let me know what y'all next pickup. I'm thinking mine's gonna be the Jordan 4s. I might have to get them joints early. You'll see why. But anyway, about to get up out of here. Shout out to the Wave Mama, everybody that's been rocking with me, man. I'm coming up on that 17th thou. Can't wait. Follow me on that Snap. Follow me on that IG. Follow me on that Twitter. That Twitter be. But that's Snups. It's your boy Wavy. You already know this my channel, Mr. Orchard Beach, like I always like to say. See you when I see you.